Susanna, what is it?
Take this money. Use one of these cars. Run to the market. Buy me fresh tomatoes and onions.
Okay. No, come, don't go. Susanna, take this bucket, take this. These are my clothes. Use this soap, wash them and wash them very well. My shirt, concentrate on the neck. Okay?
Me?
You what? You are sending me to the market as your houseboy, as your megad, as what? Eh? Is Amara your sister not there, or you just want to insult me?
Amara is very busy inside. Moreover, she doesn't know how to drive.
Then tell her to go and teach her how to drive. Go send her to a driving school. Take your money back.
Look, Okwa, if you don't go to the market to buy this thing for me, you will not eat in this house again.
Eat what?
My food.
Do you cook food? You cook potty. And the thing has been eating the lining of my stomach since. You don't know how to cook. I've even been trying to see how can I make arrangement and see Mama put that I'll be eating every morning.
Amara!
You don't know how to. You cook soup like porridge. The only thing you know how to cook is hot water. And you're trying to brag with your food. The food.
Look, from today onwards, don't ever give this man food in this house again. Do you understand me, Amara?
Yes, sir.
Do you hear me?
Amara, do you understand it? From today, what she's saying is from today onwards, don't give this man poison, because what she has been feeding me is poison. I've been trying to take drugs. Every time I'm taking drugs, the lining of my stomach has all been broken because I eat the nonsense you call food. You go with her, bloody prostitute.
You, Okwa, call my sister a prostitute?
You are even you are the junior prostitute, she's the senior prostitute.
Okwa, you call me a prostitute?
Let me look for something more derogatory.
You call me a prostitute, Okwa?
That one is even elevating you. You are worse than that now.
Don't worry. When my husband comes home, I will tell him, you must leave this compound.
Your husband or your toy? When you come, you will play on the toy, ping pong, and then tell the toy what to do. And you, why are you looking at me like that? And they're calling you Amara. Your surname should have been a word.
Amara, listen, don't mind that fool. Take this money. Go in and dress up. Go to the market. Buy me fresh tomatoes and onions. Leave whatever you are doing. Okay? Okwa.
How come?
You're no longer washing your dresses.
Are you no longer cooking? Because you know why I've come here. No, I'm big. I'm greater than you. You can't do anything. You're disturbing my ears. Okay, music time. I will show you music. Sing your wife. So you people have turned my sitting room into a disco party? Huh? You people are mad.
Darling, I can't continue to stay with this your brother Okwa in this house.
Why? What happened?
I'm no longer tolerating his nonsense. Today I asked him to go to the market and buy me fresh tomatoes and onions. He refused, and instead he called me a prostitute.
What? Okwa, you call my own wife a prostitute? So you have concluded. You call her a prostitute? Wait, I want to understand from you. You have taken too much. You have taken too much. Me? Your wife just went complaining to to you and then you took it. I think that you cannot even reason again. I accept. You should have asked. That's exactly what you should have told. Ask me first. Imagine Susanna went and brought some money and gave to me. I should go to the market and buy her tomatoes, onions, crayfish, all the things that she needs.
What is wrong with that?
What did you say? Are you not going to eat the same food? Oh, what is wrong with that? Look. So soon, when your wife will ask me to wash her pants, and you will say, there is nothing wrong with that. I'm going. Be careful, though. And let me tell you, I am going to come back. Because I have known that you have rumpled my brother, I will unchain him. I will go, but I will come back for you. I know that my brother is not with his senses. It's you that is not with your senses. Opa, look, you are taking too much. You are taking too much, Opa. Sorry, no.
Please let him go. I can't continue to stay with him in this house, please. I'll leave, or if he doesn't go, I'll leave.
Please sit down. These people want to kill me in this house.
Chief.
Yes?
Is this your brother alright?
Why do you ask?
He behaves as if he has a mental problem.
Okay.
I'm really confused.
Don't worry. Where are you? Don't ask me that stupid question. Don't ask me that nonsense question. Look at you. You're talking and I say, man, you're not well. I've asked you in front of this your charge and bail. What? What do you mean by what? Are you not charge and bail? Are you charge and discharge? No, not well. I will come for you. Don't worry, my boy. Opa, if you step out of this place, don't come back here. Opa, come back here.
I told you.
Opa!
Ukwa gentleman, ochoro nsogbu, manine ya nsogbu, ukwa ga-egosi ụtọ.
Black show go Russia. A lie. What thing be na lie? Oh, boy, man first. Oh man. You don't know. Where they go now?
Me, I'm just passing.
Passing to where? Where your tax receipt?
I'm passing.
Where your tax receipt?
Oh, you are tax people. You know, I'm not living in this town. My tax receipt is in the village where I live. I've been paying in advance.
I know. Waiting be your name.
My name is Obelije.
Obelije who?
Muna. Come on, sit down.
Sit down now. Stop your. Come out and shoot.
Come out and shoot. Wait, you are not even. Don't worry. I will remove the shoe.
Come out and shoot.
Don't worry. I will remove this.
Hey. This guy na sharp. This guy na more. Hey. Throw that thing. Throw that thing. I mean, I know they come out. I didn't hear. Another customer they come. I know they come out.
Ukwa bụ gentleman, ochoro nsogbu, manine ya nsogbu, ukwa ga-egosi gị tọrọpụrụ. Onye na-akparị ụkwa, na-enye ya nsọtụ. Take your time, ọ bụkwa big man. Ife ọ chọrọ ka ọ ga-eme, ife ọ fụrụ ọ ga-ekwu. Ụkwa nwanne m ejego Lagos n'aka.
Agnes.
Papa.
For some hours now, you have been very restless. What is the problem?
Papa, I just want to rush to Ekene school. You know, the other day he told me that his teacher asked them to pay some money. And the amount he told me is too much. So I just want to go to his school and ask the teacher.
Listen, my daughter. Most of you young ones are always in a hurry. Don't ever wash your dirty linens outside. If between now and the day after tomorrow, Agui does not send more money, I have some money in my room here. I'll give you. Go and pay.
Oh, Papa, thank you. Thank you. Papa Kena.
You people have succeeded.
What happened to you? Where's your bag? Where's your bag? Where's your shoe?
You should even be happy that I came back with my life.
Is anything the matter?
Papa, I said it. I wasn't going to Lagos. You people insisted. Now you have achieved what you wanted to achieve.
Wait. What about your senior brother and his people? Are they all right?
Papa, don't ask me about Aguiyi. Don't ask me about Aguiyi again, or I might begin to vomit here. Aguiyi wanted to use me for ritual.
Hey!
I said it here. You do not believe me. He wanted to dash me out to one what do you call it? One prophet.
Hey!
And then the one they call his wife. Using me like a houseboy.
Hey! Susanna!
Shut up, my friend. Let me listen to him.
Buy eye pencil for me. Come and buy lipstick for me. Come and buy tomato. A whole me with my wife and my family. Hey. It's an insult. It's an insult, Papa.
Shall I warned you. I warned you. When you were planning to go to Lagos, we warned you not to go to. And now you're putting the blame on us.
Will you shut up? Okay. Warned you. Go put water for me to bath.
Whenever he comes here, I will ask him and know exactly what happened. Meanwhile, give him water to bath.
Papa, are you saying that I'm telling lies?
No, I didn't say that. Meanwhile, go have your bath.
Okay. I told you I have a score to settle with Agui. I told you that Agui's eyes are not clear. That woman has done one or two things. You didn't believe me. I will come and sit down and talk with you.
Go and have your bath.
Don't worry, we will discuss. I will tell you my experience.
Oh boy, you be like say this thing they fear you.
You know, see, I don't know. You talk about. You don't carry the whole family to go to see where you see.
But look, make I tell you, forget this mess, my way they do, because this one way just they do like far wear and beat. If you dare focus up, I will personally use this thing and blow out your brains. This man, after all, now he say he won't join us. I went down. Come here, come they do smash man.
You know I've not done this before. If not for my landlord,
landlord waiting.
Both of you, listen. Tomorrow's destination. Roadblock.
I cannot apply for stage.
Look out. That thing they hungry me. Is still there?
Banana now. Why you talk like this? Something why even
maybe it's good now.
Say this one.
Something. Nigeria.
Agree. Why have you chosen to frustrate me? Why? Why have you turned my life to this unholy job?
Susie, what's wrong with you? What's wrong with you this morning? Leave me here alone!
It's a bad dream.
Bad dream?
Yes.
What about it?
You have to hear it so that you know how you move about today. It has to do with life.
Well, in any case, I want to inform you that I'm not going any place other than my office today. And so you can as well keep your dreams.
John is here. Welcome. That is John.
John, how are you?
Fine, thank you.
I hope there's no problem this morning.
No problem, I agree.
See.
The Lord has rescued a lot of people in this town.
Really?
Yes.
So, tell me, what is it?
Prophet Nwajok was arrested by the security service. Before you knew it, a crowd had gathered and burned him to ashes.
Hey, praise God!
Are you serious?
Yes. So you have not heard it. And during the man's confessions, he said that anybody that uses his staff should throw it inside the river, or the person will regret his life.
Hey!
Are you sure?